light's terrible right now, but we're gonna go ahead and do the first start. I'm gonna hook up the laptop, make sure nothing major is running wrong. After I get it running, let it warm up, I'm gonna hook up the timing light and do a mechanical timing. That way the computer is synced with the actual mechanical engine. Alright, so unfortunately my video on the first start, it's on my Instagram, but it's not on my phone, and I don't know how to get it from Instagram to my phone. So I'll show you through here. Okay, so after the first start, when you heard the tapping sound, I shut it off and I started disconnecting everything, and I was getting ready to pull the engine apart again, see what was tapping. I figured it sounded like a valve tap, so maybe I was bending valves or something, but I remember rotating the engine through, so there was nothing binding before. Long story short, I was getting ready, I was about to take it out, and I realized I forgot the most simplest task, and I can't believe it. If you see right here, the way this belt is, there's a bracket down here, if you can see it, and I'll show you over here. You can see in there, what you do is you loosen this bolt, and then when you tighten and loosen this, it comes in and out, which basically puts the tension here. Well, for the hinge, it's this bolt. Let me bring you in there. So this bolt, right here, that bolt in there, that's the hinge bolt. Can you see it? So that hinge bolt, I had it backed out. I didn't tighten it. So every time when I was cranking the engine, this was spinning in a circle. It was tapping this here, and it was also making the squeaking sound when it was going slower. And every time you hear tap, 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 that's these holes that it was going through. So, saw that, tightened that back up, got everything good, buttoned everything back up, and that's where this video happened. Got it running pretty well. Go. He's not excited.